Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Airport, check-in and boarding. Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Dubai.
Great. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Perfect. Your bag is 18 kilos within the limit.
That's good. Can I get a window seat if possible?
Let me check. Yes, there is one available. I'll assign it to you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you have any liquids in your hand luggage?
No, just my laptop and charger.
That's fine. Please remove your laptop during security check.
Okay, no problem.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A12. Boarding starts at 10:15.
Got it. How far is gate A12?
It's about a 5-minute walk straight down this hallway.
Great, thank you for the information.
Good morning. Boarding pass, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Just this backpack.
That's fine. You can board now. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.